In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear passenger side door handle on your Nissan Altima. Using a small pick tool or a flat blade screwdriver, pop the little cap out of the side of the door. Using a T30 bit, remove the screw inside of this little door hole. Lift up this black cap and pull out, and then pull towards the rear with the handle. If either of these door handle gaskets fell off, make sure you reinstall them before installing the new handle. Insert the front. Insert the rear, and then pull the handle forward until you hear it click into place. You can check the operation. You should feel resistance. Install this black cap by pushing in. Using a T30, I'm going to tighten this screw down. Install the little door plug and close your door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.